Temporary power projects move fast, but sourcing cable, connectors, and deployment equipment from multiple vendors can slow everything down. That's why utilities partner with Amphenol TPC Wire and Cable. Our enclosed trailer systems provide safe, efficient storage and deployment for mobile substations, temporary power applications, and emergency grid response, while protecting valuable cable assets from harsh environments and weather conditions. Choose from proven standard designs or work directly with our application engineers and product development team to create a custom solution built around your unique requirements. We cut the cable, install the connectors, perform testing, build the trailer, and deliver a complete system ready for deployment. One partner, one order, one complete solution. Visit tpcwire.com to learn more.